Afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 55. And the instruction here says that choose the word or group of words that best complete each of the following sentence. The sentence here said the ushers told the people to dash their shoes before they enter the hall. The ushers told the people to dash their shoes before they enter the hall. Option A says put off. Option B say put out. Option C say take off. And option D say take out. All these options are what we call verbal phrase. They are all verbal phrase. So all the options are verbal phrase. So it means that they are verb but phrase or phraseology in nature. Now, to put off simply means to delay something, to cause delay in something. When you put off something, you delay something, or you procrastinate the stuff, or you are not doing it immediately. Then to put out is like expel or expelling something, or remove, or you remove the stuff. Then to take off simply means remove. To take off means remove. Then to take out simply means escort or dating. When you take somebody out, or you take a lady out, you date the lady or you escort the person. That is to take out, maybe for merriment or for enjoyment. That is the meaning of take out. Now so if you look at put out means to remove. Then take off means to remove. But the difference between put out and take off is that put out has this denotation of expel or expelling. Maybe when you expel something, that is total counsel or total condemnation. That is the connotation of put out. But take off simply means remove. You are still the owner, just to maybe remove. So you can, maybe when you are entering a church where they don't wear a shoe, the person by the door can say, please kindly take off your shoe. Very correct. Then kindly put out your shoe. Kindly put out your shoe may mean we don't even want to see you around this place. But take off your shoe simply mean that untie your shoe and remove it, then enter. So take off is the correct verbal phrase for this expression. So option C is correct. So it means that to take off their shoe before they enter the church. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.